Keto macaroni salad for two? Oh yeah! With the creation of 3 original keto macaroni recipes on our channel, I thought it would be great to make a delicious mac salad. I've already shown you how to make a keto mac and cheese with a killer sauce, and here's a link to that recipe if you want to try it. The 3 keto macaroni recipes we have on our channel are all different. We have 2 that are gluten-free, one uses flour and the other is flourless and uses just 4 ingredients. The third is for our lupin flour fans, but this one has gluten in it, and they're all available on the Keto Pasta playlist. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. In this video, we are making a beautiful keto mac salad, but I'm also going to show you how to boil keto macaroni. And by that I mean not cooking it in a sauce. And we're also going to tint our macaroni using turmeric powder. Let's get into the recipe now. Bring a cup of water to a boil. I'm just adding a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to tint my macaroni. And I'm also salting mine, and this is optional, you can salt yours if you want to. Now add your keto macaroni. Stir continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 minute if you want it al dente and up to 2 minutes if you want it softer. Time to strain your pasta. If you find it too wet and the water isn't draining, you can always just use a paper towel to dab the excess water. Set that aside and let's make the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding 45 grams of sour cream. It equates to 1/3 of a cup. To loosen your sour cream a bit, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of heavy cream or 45 grams. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard for flavor. I do love garlic, so I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder, a pinch of pepper, and do note I'm adding all my seasonings into the sauce before I mix it. And a pinch of Italian seasoning. I do love greens. Now mix to combine. There are so many variations to a macaroni salad. You know, you can use mayonnaise, you can use thickened cream. Maybe be creative and, you know, maybe create your own mac salad. Adding the keto mac. This is 100 grams of roasted chicken that I've shredded. It was just left over, so I used it. 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of red bell pepper. 25 grams of red onion sliced. I'm just mixing all of that in. Look at that color, guys. Now we're plating up. First I added cost lettuce, 30 grams of lettuce leaves, and a 1/4 avocado, which is 30 grams. 2 boiled eggs sliced. I cooked these for 6 minutes in boiling water. Just spoon your mixture on top of that. Season with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Well, I do hope I gave you great ideas and tips on how you can create a beautiful keto macaroni salad. And if not, just follow my recipe to a T. It is absolutely scrumptious. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.